Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of variability. Simply, the variability measures how the data is spread out or dispersed, whatever the meaning, how the data is spread out or dispersed. That is a variability. Remember, if you understand the concept of variability, then you can understand the data consistency or inconsistency. If higher spread the data means the more variability. That is, the data is spread in the large space. Obviously, it has a more variability. The variability is measured by using three techniques. One is range. So the range is simply in the data set the highest value minus lowest value in the data set gives the range. For example, I have some set of numbers like this. In this, what is the highest value? 13. The lowest value is 2. 13 minus 2, 11. So 11 is the range. Now, two more measures are there. Another one is variance. Simply, variance is the average squared deviation from the mean. Understand? The average, that is 1 by n squared deviation from the mean. So xi minus x bar whole square. So here what is x bar? X bar is mean. Xi means each data point. Xi means each data point. So we are subtracting the mean from each data point and then we are doing square operation. Finally, we are taking the average. So the average squared deviation from the mean is called variance. Simply, variance specifies how much the data values, are apart from each other. That is simply the 1 point distance to other point distance. So the far from each and every point is measured by using variance. If you have some set of elements, what is the procedure? First to calculate the mean and subtract. For example, assume my mean is 20 for some set of elements. Simply what you are doing? Subtract. Suppose 30, 40, 60, assume. So 30 minus 20 whole square, 40 minus 20 whole square, 60 minus 20 whole square, and then get average. Okay? Now, and the last one is standard deviation. So standard deviation, simply it is a square of variance. It is simply a square root of variance is called standard deviation. Generally, this standard deviation is used to identify how much the values are far from the mean. So we already calculated the mean. How much distance the values are from the mean. That is calculated by using standard deviation. Now simply based on the standard deviation, we are calculating the outliers. So you know the meaning. Outlier means simply that is out of the range. If we are calculating from the mean, suppose I kept a distance of 10. If any point that crosses 10, that is an outlier. So these are the different methods for calculating the variability of a given data set. Clear? Thank you.